how to download InShot in laptop. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install InShot on your PC. Without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open any web browser. The first thing you need to do is head into bluestacks.com and tap the link that says download BlueStacks. Or you can simply search for BlueStacks yourself. Now, let me quickly explain what BlueStacks is. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, meaning it basically acts like an Android device on your PC. You can use your mouse and keyboard just like your fingers on a phone and run mobile apps easily. I recommend downloading BlueStacks 5. All you need to do is press download BlueStacks 5 right on the home page, just like this. When you first download it, it's a small setup file, it's just the installer. Once that's downloaded, we'll move on to installing the full BlueStacks program. Every browser is a little different, so if your download doesn't appear at the bottom left, just open your File Explorer and head to your Downloads folder. Once you find the BlueStacks installer, double-click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, just agree to it. Then click Install Now and it'll start installing. Now it's almost finished, just wait a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see a screen saying Starting BlueStacks. Just sit back and let it load. When BlueStacks is ready, open up the Play Store, you'll find it right on the home screen. Tap on it and it'll start loading. The first time you open the Play Store, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. It's super easy, just follow the steps. After signing in, tap on the search bar and search for InShot. You'll see it right at the top, tap on it, then press Install. It'll start downloading and installing automatically. Once it's done, just tap Open and InShot will launch. Now you're all set, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful and now you know how to get InShot on your PC, make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.